I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine.
I hate myself. And the reason why I'm saying this is because I know the importance of self-care. I know the importance of taking care of your body, and still, because of the race of the life that I am in and working continuously, I'm not able to get time to work on myself, and that's not good, and I know that. And this is why last few days I was not actually taking care of my hair, my skin. That is completely ruined, also because of the temperature. It's 44 degrees here, and when I work out in in this temperature, the sweat actually ruins my hair and my skin very badly. And that's why I needed a day out where I can actually take care of my hair, my skin. I know so many of you have been going through this similar situation as well, because so many of you asked me to do a video on hair care and skin routine in summer because you are not able to take care of it. I know and I understand that. Yeah, I'm making this video today because I know that so many of you are going through the similar situation. So yeah, I hope this video will be useful to all of you. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe my channel because I will be up with so many more fitness challenges, many other routines, and many other videos that will help to work on your body and your skin and your hair and many more things. So yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be up with more videos on Monday and Fridays. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's quickly get into the... So this is the same homemade onion oil that I have been using, the recipe of which I have shared in my previous videos. The link will be appearing somewhere above.
Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh.
Hi Daddy. Hi. So she is the one who actually takes care of my hair, and the secret behind my hair care routine is her. I feel so relaxed after this hair massage because, you know, she has that power and her hands are so strong, and yeah, I cannot get this feeling in any spa, any salon or anywhere, because yeah, this is the best feeling. I feel so relaxed and so happy. So I'm done with the hair oiling thing. I have about 2 to 3 hours before I wash it. So I will utilize this time to work on my skin because it's badly affected by this summer. So let's quickly get into my skin care routine for the day. So this was the face mask and face wash sent to me by Mamaearth. So I'm going to quickly use it today and show you how it turns out on my skin. So yeah, let's quickly open your shirt. Two things that I really like about Mamaearth products are that they are 100% natural, chemical free, and secondly, they are plastic positive, that they recycle more plastic than they use. So let me quickly wash my face with Upton face wash, that is specifically for tan removal. With the face wash, I really feel fresh, honestly, and now I'm going to quickly apply the Upton face mask that's available along with it. So yeah, let me quickly apply it and show you the results. So after face wash, I am going to quickly apply a generous layer of this Upton face mask all across the face and my neck. Going through the details of the product, it has saffron, turmeric and apricot oil. So the thing that attracted me the most in this was that it has turmeric. I know the properties of turmeric. It really helps in fighting the bacterial infection from spreading, and if you are someone who has like suffering from acne, this turmeric really helps. And because of the anti-inflammatory and the antibacterial properties of turmeric, it is great for the skin conditioning. And yeah, this has turmeric, and that's why I really got attracted towards it. Done with the face mask, and I feel so light, so fresh, and yeah, I am really happy with the results. You can see that my skin tone is gone lighter, and I'm feeling very light, very fresh. So yes, I expected this to be this way because of the properties of turmeric, and the Upton face mask also was very light, and yeah, I really felt good. So yes. So if you're someone who is looking for a product like this, then you can definitely check out my description. Use my code GLOW20 to get 20% discounts exclusively for my GGT family. And yeah, all the details regarding the product will be there in my description box. And yes, so now let's quickly take a shower and be done with the routine. So this is a homemade conditioner that I use after shampoo. It has 1 spoon of curd, then half lemon and 1 spoon of honey, and we'll mix it well together. So it's very, very effective. It makes my hair look smooth and shiny, and yeah, this is one of my hair care secret. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder. Wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. So that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. This was my way of taking care of myself, a day off, and I assure you that I will be doing it once in a week. Yes, in a race of life, when you're working, you often forget to take care of yourself, and I will not forget from now, and I will take care of my body at least for one day in a week. And yeah, that's about this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to give that thumbs up and comment below with your questions, and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because I will be updated with so many more fitness challenges, many more videos that promote health and fitness in your life. And yeah, bye bye, stay fit, stay happy, bye.